So how do you steam to get a perfect result? Here I'm gonna show you the 4 recommended techniques that we at Steamery use to get your clothing perfectly smooth. The first one, you steam from the outside of the fabric. Start by taking a firm grip in the bottom of the fabric and smooth out all the fabric by resting the heat nozzle, dragging it towards up and down the fabric. Another great technique to use to really get out the wrinkles at hard spots is to steam from the inside of the fabric. You lift up the fabric you wish to steam, put the nozzle inside the fabric and let the fabric rest on top of the steam head. This is a great way to, for example, get in under the seam, under the armpit, or for example, in the back. Perfect for blouses, for shirts, and all basically top parts that you wish to steam. So, when you're holding in the bottom of the fabric, you get creases on the bottom of the shirt or the blouse. So in order to straighten out those creases without burning yourself, use the including heat protection glove. You put it on and then you take the fabric and you put it on top of the glove, and you basically use the glove as an ironing board and use the steamer as an iron to press the fabric smooth. The glove is also a perfect tool to take out creases on spots on the shirt that are pretty hard to get. For example, when you're steaming the cuffs, you use the glove to press the cuffs. You can also use it to get this, the collar perfectly smooth and put the glove behind the collar steaming like this. Or for example, the pocket. Pressing fabric using the steamer, just like an iron, is a perfect way of steaming your pants or a harder fabric that has really tough wrinkles. Just put up something that you want to use as an ironing board, for example, a cloth on top of a table or the top of your mattress or anything that is just lying vertical. Then put whatever you wish to steam, for example, a pair of trousers, and move the steam head over the cloth, just like an ironing, to smooth out all hard creases.